Hey, what's up, guys? It's Straight Tech here, and today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing review on this iMac that I purchased last week, and I am very excited just because I am coming from a smaller MacBook Air 13-inch screen and going to this 27-inch. It's gonna be a big difference for me, so I'm very excited about it. So, like I said, this is a 27-inch model. It comes with a 5K display. The processor is a 3 GHz 6-core Intel Core i5. It comes with 8 gigabytes of DDR for memory. It also comes with a 1 terabyte Fusion drive, and it's a pretty big computer. It's kind of heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy, especially when they handed it over to me at the Apple Store. I wasn't expecting that. Just because, and the box as well, where they put it in, it's so big, and I wasn't expecting it to be that huge. So, like I said, just be careful if you purchase this one. Just be careful carrying it because it is very heavy. And so, like I said, this one comes with 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, SD/XE card slot, 4 USB ports, and 2 Type-C ports. And it comes with the Ethernet cable as well if you want, faster internet. So, like I said, this one is a 27-inch model compared to the 21-inch. If you put them next to each other, you could see that there's a big difference. Unless the other one was like a 25-inch, then I would have gone with the smaller one. But if you compare 21 to 27, there's a very big difference there. So, like I said, that's why I decided to go with this one. And this right here is the Magic Keyboard that it comes with, and the Magic Mouse. And I will tell you right now that I do not like the Magic Mouse at all. I feel like it's so small, and I don't know, like it doesn't have the clicky buttons that I like. So I'm using this Amazon one that I bought like a few months ago. It's Bluetooth, and you can charge it with micro USB, so it works for me as of right now. And also, there's a promotion going on. If you purchase any Apple products, you do get these AirPods Pro for $90. Or if you don't want to get the Pro, you get the regular AirPods 2 for a lot cheaper. So you get the regular AirPods 2 with the charging case for free, or you get the AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case for $40. And so, like I said, if you're gonna spend 40, you might as well spend another 50 and get the AirPods Pro, just because the difference between them is so much better. And for me, I don't really like the regular AirPods just because they hurt when I put them in my ear for like more than 15 minutes. They irritate me. That's just me. That's my opinion. But I've always liked the ones that come with the silicone tips. So if you're like me, then I suggest going with the AirPods Pro. So for another $50, you will get noise cancellation and the and extra features that come with it. So it's a better purchase, okay? So if you guys have any questions and any suggestions, comment down below, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.